Hi guys, welcome to Solution Domain. This is Vikram here. Today in this video we are going to see how to create a URL button on form page in Dynamics 365 using Ribbon Workbench. Go to Solution and create a new solution. Type the display name, select the publisher and type the version and click on Save button. Next, select Components and click on Add Existing drop-down button and click on Entity. Here I am going to select Account Entity. As you can see here, we are going to create URL button on Accounts Entity form layer. So I am going to select the entity as Account and click on OK button. The next important thing that you need to do is you need to uncheck these two boxes which says include entity metadata, add all assets and click on finish button. And next click on save and close. As of now I have created a new solution named as Ribbon button. And this solution we are going to use it in Ribbon Workbench to create URL button. Next, open XRM Toolbox application. Next, you need to connect your XRM Toolbox to your Dynamics 365 environment. In my case, now it is connected to Dynamics 365 CRM solutions. Next, I am going to select Ribbon Workbench tool which is available under recently used tools. If you don't find it here, no need to worry. You can go to tools and search for Ribbon Workbench and select it to get it open. Here we are going to select the Ribbon button solution as we have created. See here we have created a new solution name as Ribbon button, right? That solution we are going to select in Ribbon Workbench, XRM tool, Ribbon Workbench tool and click on OK button. Next we are going to place a button on the form layer and we are going to change its name in label option. I am renaming the button name as URL button. Next, go to the command option and delete the default command. Click on the plus button in command to add a new command. On the right hand side under action, you can see a small plus button and add action option. Click on it and select URL action. In this video, for demo purpose and to make you better understand, I am taking Google URL and I am going to paste it in address field. Once you paste the URL in address field, go to buttons and select the button that you have created. In my case, it is URL button. Every button should have a command. For that, in command field of button properties, we are going to map the command which we created. Meaning that we are going to map the URL command in the button properties. Once the command is associated with the button, you need to click on the publish button. Wait until the solution is published. Now the solution has been published successfully. Now go to Dynamics 365 homepage and click on refresh button. Next click on accounts entity and click on plus new button. Here you can see the URL button which we created using XRM Toolbox Ribbon Workbench. Just click on URL button. It will take you to the Google page as we have given the Google URL in button command. And this is how we create URL button using XRM Toolbox Ribbon Workbench in Dynamics 365. Thanks for watching.